Ayun. Tumabi. Oh, baliktad. It's the Wolverine. And Deadpool. Oh my God! Parang ngayon kong buksan. Wow! Oh!
A few inches later.
What the hell is that? That came from? Oh! Ah! Hi! This is Gabildo. And you know what it is? Today, nasa aking harapan ngayon ay walang iba kundi sila. X-Men Origins Deadpool and Wolverine action figure. Uy! Sabi ngayon ko lang nahawakan tong line na to. Okay, that's it, the packaging. Let's take a look at the back. Sino kasama nyo? Ikaw, sino kasama mo? Same lang din. Okay. Then, hindi pala. Deadpool, Wolverine, another Wolverine. And then, Experiment, Weapon X1, Logan. Yeah, Deadpool. Okay, dito naman. Of course, still Logan, Wolverine, and Sabretooth. Oh my God! Alam niyo, kwento ko lang, nung kabataan ko, pinanood ko itong movie na to, X-Men Origins. It was a funny one. Funny movie kasi kundi lang siya na botcha at ay nako, nakakuha kasi ano na ito, yung unfinished one at yun yung napanood ko. Ano yun DVD Banqueta days, and then uy, hindi nga malinaw na, and then all of a sudden pinanood namin ng kapatid ko, ng kuya ko at ng bunso. We're laughing out loud in this movie. Tapos rewatching ngayon yung finished one, yung maganda. It was a fun and action-packed movie, and it was like it brings back memories. Anyways, kung i-rate ko ang X-Men Origins Wolverine ngayon, I'll give it a solid 8 because it's not just a fun movie, it's a part of my childhood. Okay, wala nang paligo-ligo pa. Ligoy, I mean, yeah. Let's cut him loose. Oh yeah, and nga pala, big shout out kay Mr. Moon Fortuna for the figures. Thank you. Woo! And here they are out of the packaging, and my God, ooh, well, shit. Okay, wala nang patumpik-tumpik. Let's go with our regulation. EP, of course. Head, shoulders, side, elbow, wrist. Meron. Nice. Ganun din sa kabila. Waist. Chan sa chan. Oh. Chan, waist. Wala. Thigh. Beautiful. Spready.
Great job.
Thigh cut. You know. Double John knees. An ankle. Uy, ngayon naman kay DP, di ako na kay Wolverine, you know, ulo, shoulder up, elbow, single, and wrist, of course, wrist, and this kabila, elbow, chan, meron, uy, walang waist. Beautiful, not so beautiful, but it's an okay spread. It doesn't split naman. Thigh cuts, yan din sa kabila. Double John knees, of course. Beautiful. Kabila din. An ankle. Up and down. Ganda pala kay DP. Up and down, not so much though, cause the mode. Sa kay Wolvie, medyo may ano pa. Yun, ganda sa kabila. Tayo! That's it for the articulation ngayon. Magtungo naman tayo sa kanilang accessories. Let's go! Okay, let's start kay DP. Yung mga accessories niya, double katana, side piece, handgun with an AK, and uy, kay Electra to. Uy, sobrang nasa gamit to, PDP, what the hell? Baloktot na. Tayo. What are you doing with your katanas, bro? At ang kay Wolverine, itong katana, single katana lang. Ito yung siguro nakuha niya sa Japan days niya. Wow, sana all nakapag-Japan. Oh, damn, would you look at that? With the accessories, of course, the one Zoro naman to. Ito, Commando mode. Take a look at the Wolverine holding the katana from Japan trip. Triple wielding maniac. Commando Deadpool. Diba? Tulog ka naman. Wala ka dyan. Anyways. Okay, wala nang patupig pa. Again. Size comparison. Let's go. Here's Dragon Warrior Poe. Mega Jerry. Ooh, yellow and yellow. Fortnite's Carbide. DC Spin Masters. Superman. Oh my god. Godzilla X. Kong with the Beast Club. KO Megatron, or aka Leader Class Sentry. Big shout out kay Sean Pasqua for this one. Thank you, mate. My previous review, Deformation Warrior Dark Green Ghost. Overall, this two figures are amazing. Oh wait, today is the day. Nga pala, the Wolverine today. Wait, what? This is it, Pansit. Let's fucking go.
A few inches later.
Oh my god. Where to start with this one? Napakasolid ng movie na to. First to finish. Okay, I'm gonna spill it out. Lahat ng mga nakita ko, mga cameos. Let's go. Let's start with the What? Saan galing yun? Damn, bro! Would you... Diba? Alam mo naman bawal. Video ko to eh. Pasok na sa MCU to. Kaya, no spoilers. Ganun ba? Like I said, no spoilers. Okay. That's mga best part. Natin spill lahat. No. Ito na nga eh. Okay. Sorry about that. Kaya para sa akin, best intro nito ang MCU is with this one. Yeah, with the dance choreography with DP. Bang. Ay, doon pa lang eh. Tapos yung mga kills niya sa mga TVA agent. Damn. Gabit yung yung bungo ng isang deceased na mutant. What's my cinema experience with this one is... mga kasama ko pa kabanting, it's a tough crowd. Wala man lang wow! Endgame vibe. Sobrang ingin ng sinihan. Yung mga best moments doon. Tapos talaga itong experience ko ngayon, parang ako lang gustong sumigaw ng mga kita ko mga cameo. Lalo na doon sa sa Wolverine variants. Tawa ko na-shock na nakita ko si uy! Ako lang talaga. Medyo mashup yun. Lalong-lalo na dun sa 5 characters na cameo. Isa, dalawa reprise. No, 3 nga eh. Tapos yung isa, 4 pala. 4. Tapos yung isa, yung canceled na movie niya. Tapos dito niya na lang, ginanapan. Natalo ko, sigaw ako sa isip ko. Maganda siya, yung car fight scene, putang yan. Little space niya, puto, pero todo, tagaan talaga sila. Patay kung patay, pero puta eh. Pareha sila powers eh. May healing factor eh. Sinay, ano yung kay Dogpool, ang cute ni Dogpool, yung introduction sa kanya, tapos mamaya, pag hawak niya kay Dogpool, biglang labas si Nicepool. What? Iba yung vibe na ito, ha? Nicepool na Nicepool. Namaste ka agad yung ano mo, makaramdam. Yung talaga. Tapos makikita mo kay Dogpool na parang natatakot yung aso doon sa ano, kay Nicepool. Parang iba yung ano, iba yung ginagawa nito, iba yung alaga nito ni ano, Nicepool. Meron, what the hell going on? Kaya hate ni Wade yung ano, Nicepool. Kala ko siya Captain America, yung pala si Human Torch. Pero gagawin nila lahat na ano, possibilities para bumalik sila ano, sa universe na to, sa cinematic universe MCU. Avengers, no! Flame on! Doon sa Ant-Man compound, patay kung patayan talaga sila doon. Angas yung fight scene doon, lalo na yung ayoko sabihin, pero although nakita na ng buong mood na to, am I gonna spell it out? Sinasabi ko sa'yo. No? Okay. Fuck you, bitch. Ayusin mo. Patay si ano, yung Russian sa ano, Punisher, Juggernaut. Lahat dead. Tapos puta dumaan pa si ano, Elias. Ulit talaga lahat. So ano, Deadpool core. Puta maganda yung scene doon. Tapos saving for the last movie. Hoodie niya pala yun. Puta. Pagsuot ng mask. Puta, let's go! Patay. Blood everywhere. Guts and body parts. Makikita mo pa si Dogpool tatakbo doon sa ano, sa sidewalk. Ayo si Jan. Ang haba nung ano nun, ng sequence na yun. Kasi palya yung ano, superhero landing. Dumbass DP. Anyways, let's rate this one. I'm gonna rate this movie, Deadpool and Wolverine, a solid 10. Yeah, solid 10. Unlike those previous Marvel movies, solid 10. Yeah, walang bias.
Let's fucking go.
Diyan ka pa? Kanina ka pa dyan? What? Hanapin mo yung witch doon, kunin mo yung figure na gusto ko.
Kala ko ikaw. Ikaw kukuha doon.
Alam mo, ikaw na kumuha. Natamad na ako. Tingin na.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Get my stuff. Dumbass. Gotta go.
Anyways, that's it for this one. Whew. Thank y'all for watching. Medyo late na to. No, wait, magkano na ba yung movie? Damn! Second week pa lang na ngayon. Nice! Grabe! And like I've said, that's it for this one. Thank y'all for watching. Leave like, comment, share this, and subscribe for more. And I'll see y'all on the next round. Whew. What a Monday it is for me. What a day. Congrats. MCU is back. Nice. Woo!
Baby, bye, bye, bye.